In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge videos in CapCut on PC in a quick, simple way, even if you've never used the editor before. This is a great method if you want to combine multiple clips into one smooth video for YouTube, social media, school projects, or any kind of content editing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app is open, create a new project so you can start with a clean editing workspace. This gives you a blank timeline where you can bring all of your clips together in the order you want them to appear. Next, import the videos you want to merge. You can usually do this by clicking the import button or by dragging the files directly into CapCut. Once your clips are loaded into the media area, you're ready for the next step. Now drag the videos down onto the timeline. This is where the actual merging happens. Place the clips in the exact order you want them to play, because CapCut will combine them based on how they are arranged on the timeline. If you want the second clip to play after the first one, make sure it comes right after it. If you have 3 or more clips, keep arranging them in sequence until everything is lined up correctly. After that, move each clip so it snaps directly next to the previous one, with no gaps in between. This part is important because if there is space between the clips, you may end up with blank moments in your final video. CapCut usually helps by snapping clips into place, so just drag them carefully until they touch edge to edge. Once the clips are aligned, play back the timeline to check that everything flows smoothly. If one clip starts too early or too late, just drag it a little left or right until it matches perfectly. If needed, you can also trim the beginning or end of each clip to remove unwanted parts. This is useful if you only want to keep the best sections and make the final merged video cleaner and more polished. You can also rearrange the clips at any time if you decide the order should change. Just click and drag a clip to a different position on the timeline, then make sure it still connects with the other clips properly. After that, do one final preview to confirm that your merged video plays from start to finish exactly the way you want it, and that's it. You've successfully merged videos in CapCut on PC. It's really just a matter of importing your clips, placing them in order, and lining them up on the timeline with no gaps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.